Hey guys, Wisteria Moon here, and today I'm here with a friend of mine, Zaid. So say hi.
Yo.
Okay, so some of you might have noticed I recently got a Beta Elf helmet from a friend of mine, Seven. I was gonna upload the video, but he never ended up sending it. So anyways, today I am going to get a pretty cool trade for it. So I thought I'd record because it's kind of exciting. I'm getting a Pearly Tiara and a magenta furry. So, yeah, I guess just go ahead and trade me. Hey god, this is crazy. I'm like so excited right now.
Yeah. Okay, what was that? Okay. I don't...
Hurry up!
I'm trying to...
My god, I swear. Oh, see? That's it right there. My gosh, this is so crazy.
Oh, really now?
Oh my god! I hate my life. Hey, want a beard? Want an orange beard?
I have like 3.
Well, here, have another one.
Cool.
Give you some pigtails too. Can't get enough of those.
I have all of them.
Well, now you have more. Okay, do it again.
Okay. Oh, cool, my screen froze.
Oh my god. Why is everything so difficult?
I don't know.
My inventory is like always full.
Oh, cool, you can't trade.
Oh my god. I'm gonna kill myself. Okay. Let's go back to Yoseid's den.
Alright, now let's see if we can do this.
This is such a failure. Okay, finally. Bam! Pearly Tiara. My gosh, this is so cool. I'm like freaking out right now. Okay, yeah, here, you can have my tail. I don't care. Wait, where is it? Okay. Oh, here it is. Yeah. I have another one in storage, so yeah.
I'm looking fly.
You match so great right now. Oh my gosh, I am so happy right now, guys. Okay, I need you all to do me a huge favor and subscribe to Zaid because he is a pretty cool kid. Okay, yeah, so subscribe to him. I'll leave the link in the description. And also, you should check out his Instagram page. He might be, selling some items. No scallop, guys, I promise. No scallop. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I know it's probably not that exciting to all of you because, I mean, some people like these rare videos, other people don't. That's cool. But anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my friend Zaid. So say bye.
Peace.
He's so enthusiastic.